Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol DATS, and from the chart you can see last Friday it was up by 45%, and after hour it is up another 8.6%. In total it was up almost 53-54%. If you look at the chart you can see a huge move from here to here, came down, and again it is just crashing and crashing and crashing. If you look at the 5-day chart, more interesting, right? It was around this level, came down, moved sideways, again going up. So most probably if it can break this level, I think it will go even higher. So in this particular video I want to talk about the support, resistance, some other few facts, so that you know when to get in, when to get out, so that you can make some money. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And one more thing before I start, if you look at last Friday all US exchange price volume leader, you will see DATS sitting at number 3. 65.9 million shares were traded. Number 1 is CCXI, then we have F, and then we have DATS. So very exciting, right? And also if you're doing day trading or swing trading, then maybe you can consider joining my Patreon, because I have a Patreon and Discord channel. So in the morning I give alert during pre-market and also during the market hour. Like as an example, for AEHR we alerted around 17.1 this level, it ran almost 15%. Even for DATS the alert was if it breaks 9.4, the red line here, then enter, and it ended up a nice trade, almost 31% up. If you like this kind of trade ideas with support, resistance, and you want to get in and get out, make money every day, then I welcome you to join my Discord. You can join my Discord family, become a member, and let's make money together. Give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. There's not a problem. So let's look at the volume. So DATS, so look at the volume. The average volume is 17.6 million, and last Friday the volume was 65.9 million. Huge volume, like almost 5 times, or 3 and 4. So you see almost 4 times more volume. So very exciting. If you look at the volume chart on a daily basis, you can see more volume came down. Again the volume is picking up. So last Friday lots of volume, people are picking on this particular one. So even if you see more volume coming Monday or next week, then it can run even higher. I will definitely talk about the chart, support, resistance, and everything, but before that I want to touch some other things, and I will end with the technical analysis. Even if I go to Fintel, it is not showing me the short interest, but interesting thing is the short interest ratio is only 0.07 days to cover, which is very small, so you can see a big squeeze if it runs. Also, if you look at the dark pool short volume ratio, this is 53%, which is really high. If I scroll down, Fintel is showing me only 850,000 shares are available to short, and 28.3% short borrow fee rate, which is also high. And also if you look at daily trading activity, you can see 53%, 55%, 49%, lots of shares are shorted each and every day. And final few things before I go, if you look at Google Trend, people started looking for let's say DATS stock, and you can see suddenly people are doing more search on this particular stock. This is for US, but if I move to worldwide, maybe same trend, right? So people are looking for this particular one. I also follow stock with it. You can go and see how people are looking for this. Anyway, let's look at the chart now. So first of all, before I start, I always want to talk about the risk. The risk is, many people are saying about a big dump. It can always happen. Look at this one. It went to 18. From 18 it came to $6, almost 1/3 it came. If you look in terms of percentage, if you bought at 18, it came all the way like 60% down. So whenever you are up, lock your profit or use a stop loss. First of all, this is the most important thing. Now let's look at the daily RSI. So the RSI went to 84, came down, and now the RSI is rising, which is really good. Also, if you look at the daily MACD, you can see that the buying pressure is decreasing. So that is one thing. Also, if I look at the daily level, few obvious levels I see here. I think some level is just right around here, right? So just around here, like $12 you can say. Why? Because 12 was previous support, then the resistance. So instead of a daily, I also want to show you an hourly chart, how things are moving. So if you look at the hourly candle, the RSI came all the way to below 30 oversold, then it has been going up, up, up. Right now the RSI is around 71, 72, showing is coming down. It might come down, there could be a pullback. Many people are saying once there will be a pullback, we will enter. Instead of 1 hour, you can also look at different time frame. You can see how things are moving. So anyway, just a caution. But the most important thing I like here is look at the volume. Look at the volume. So I'm looking at a 1 hour chart. I want to show you the volume. You see so many volume came last Friday. At the same time, it is important to see how it is acting in this particular resistance, which is around $12. It is trying to break. Let me zoom. It is trying to break this particular resistance. Let's put it here. Let's put 11.8, 12, this area, it is trying to break. So each candle is 1 hour. So in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, it is trying to break, but it can't. On the after hour, it went up to 12.2, but again came down. The next hour, it is still trying. So the pre-market will be very interesting, because on pre-market, if it can open over 11.8 or $12 and can stay, I think this thing will run again. Last Friday, what I talked, like when it was here, I said wait for the 9.4 breakout, because after 9.4 there is a big area to run, and it happened. Right now, again, what I see here, few things can happen. One thing could be there could be a pullback. It might come down and then bounce off again, or it opened up higher and just keep running. Many things can happen. So I'm gonna draw some other lines. Let's say there will be a pullback. So at what point it can come? It can. I see some area around here. I see a few candles ending around this area and also here. So maybe 10.3. Maybe it can have a pullback to 10.3 and then it will bounce from here. That can be one scenario, or it might open higher and it starts running. So if it goes higher, so what are the other areas I'm looking at, right? Some area around 13. Why? Again, you can see 13 was like some kind of support here. 13 has some connecting point here, and also it tried to break 13. So when I said 13, it does not mean it has to be 13. It can be like 12.9, 13.1, but this is just an indication, the area where it can go. But if it can break 13, I think it can go even higher and higher. Many people are saying so many things. I do not want to pump, but this thing is looking really, really nice. Now, if I zoom out, like this is a recent IPO, so you will not see a lot of action, right? So the highest point we have around 17.6, 17.8. Currently we are around 11.8 area. So the most important thing is, can we break the $12 mark and go towards 13? And if 13 is broken, this thing can run a lot. Or on the other hand, it might come down to 10.3 and it can bounce again. We have 10.3, we have 9.3. So I would advise pause for some time, look at the support, look at the resistance, then make a plan. And definitely you have to watch pre-market. Do not enter into a trade blindly, and look at the how it is moving, where is the support, where is the resistance, so then you can enter with a trade. And always use a stop loss and use a trailing stop loss to lock your profit. You never know when it will come down. The people here who bought at 18, they thought maybe there will be a breakout. You see few candles, they thought maybe it will be a breakout, it will go to the moon. Like when it broke 18, many people maybe entered at 18.5. they thought about 20, 25, and from there they came all the way to $6-7. So that is why I always say use a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. If you are in massive profit, take some shares and lock some profit, so you always have something in your pocket. Otherwise it can be burned. So anyway, if you want this kind of trading ideas, support, resistance, again, just I invite you to join my Discord. It costs only $9 per month. You can also join my YouTube community, which costs only $5 per month. You will get trade ideas each and every day, and we will make money together. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and let's make money together. Thank you, take care, and peace.